This is box number 13 and the MRP is 2345, but all the stuff is in discount, that is for 1000 rupees and free shipping. So get ready what all things you are getting. This is 4x8 stencil you are getting, one scissor, this is stainless steel, some mixed media embellishments you can use for your backgrounds. This is a pearl string you are getting. This is one chalk paint you are getting. This is all new and it is 50 ml. This is a mixed media stones. You can color according to your choice. These are metallic one green and these are big orange or light peach you can say, and you can use in anywhere for your resin clock, jewel clock or whatever. Okay, and this is one stencil. This is dry pressed flowers, fridge magnet, this house. These two are pre-marked fridge magnets, french fries and burger, and these are the MDF things. These are some sentiments and some tree kind of. These are the things in MDF. All are MDF stuff basically. So I'm just going to show you what all things you are getting. These are cute ones, Rajasthani style. These are two flowers and some 4 petals of leaves, and where is that one? This is box number 13. The MRP is 2345. Still the stock is there of this box. These are some wooden embellishments you are getting. So it's a very good deal. So many stuff is there in this box number 13. So the MRP is 2345 and you are getting for 1000 rupees and the free shipping. If you are sure, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.